All right, question number 10. Question number 10 is still a similar question as question number 8. It's an overall indication question. The formula here is rate is equal to pure premium 1 plus LAE, loss adjusted expenses, plus the fixed expenses, 1 minus the variable expenses, and minus the profit margin. If you don't have loss adjusted expenses, in this case it didn't tell, you can assume that it's just not relevant. There's not being adjusted, or it's 0. So this case, it's going to be simplified to pure premium plus fixed expenses minus 1 minus the variable expenses and minus profit margin. So what's given here is $260. It's the rate. It's equal to pure premium, which is $200, and plus fixed expenses, which is $20, over 1 minus X percent, and also profit margin was 2%. So in this case, you should be able to, what I would do is 260 equal to 220 minus 0.98 minus X percent. And that will get to the X percent equal to 0.1498, or it's close to 15%. I'll say it's close to 15%. And now I want to have a new rate because I want to have a new profit margin. My original profit margin was 2%. Now I want to increase in the profit margin to 5%. It just now become 5%. And this is your profit margin. And this is your variable expenses. And this is your fixed expenses, and variable expenses, and this, and also pure premium. Well, actually, in this case, altogether, pure premium. And now I need to use this formula again because my profit margin is different. I want to know what is my new rate. Is equal to, still have $200 pure premium, still have the same fixed expenses, 1 minus still have the same variable expenses, which is calculated 0.1498 minus, now the profit, instead of 2%, it's going to be a 5% now. You put all this together, you'll end up with $274.94. So you obviously is asking a higher profit from 2 to 5, and then you obviously also need to charge more money. Originally you were charging $260. Now you have to have a $274 in order to give you 3 additional % in terms of profit.